Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to SBM. Today, I would like to introduce SBM sand-making machine to you. Here you see, this is our sand-making machine. We call it as the vertical man-shaft impact crusher. And right now, we have three models, three types. The VSI source, VSI 5X source, and the VSI 6X source is the latest model. You can see this is some the feeding size for the machine. The maximum feeding size is below 60 millimeter, and it can get the 0 to 5 millimeter as the graded sand to produce. This machine can for different material, including granite, ground basalt, limestone, dolomite, and so on. This is the machine specification. And now I want to show us the machine here. You see here in front of us, this is our sand-making machine. On the top is the cantilever beam. With the cantilever beam, it's easy to do the maintenance work because this cantilever beam can match with the hoist with 1.5 to 2 tons. This means when you replace the spare parts and to check the machine, it's easy to remove some parts. And under the in the middle of the machine is the convertible. And inside including the rotor and the vertical shaft. Because for this sand-making machine, there has two key point parts. One part is the rotor. One part is the vertical shaft. And in the bottom, this sand-making machine including use the two motors. Our standard motor is the Siemens bond. With the two motor, it can make the machine, the balance to be better. When the machine is working, two motors can make the machine, the balance to stable and working continually. And in the middle of the machine, you can see here, this place. This is the rubber. One machine with the 8 rubbers. This rubber can reduce the vibration to the foundation, and also it can reduce the noisy. Now I want to show another part, the main part with the rotor. First, let's see the inner feature view, the inner view. This is the rotor, the whole unit, the assembly. When the rotor is working, the speed is very fast. And we can see this rotor here. Yeah, this is our rotor. With this rotor, it's including the 4 doors. The old model with the only three doors. That means with the 4 doors, it's the high technology one. We can, based on the seat power, the capacity, the machine's capacity is more. And the efficiency is high. And this is the impact plate, impact block. Also, we use the high maintenance parts to make these parts to make its lifetime to be longer. Also, the hammer. This is the hammer. We have the first hammer and the second hammer. That means when the first hammer broken or you to do the maintenance, we can use the second hammer to ensure the machine to working safety. And so inside, you can see the details with the block, the bolt, the different parts with the different bolt to fix the machine. Yeah, for this whole unit, you see this is the material. The main material for this rotor is the ollie. With the ollie, special ollie, the rotor life can use the long time. The lifetime is more. And so for the hammer, we use the soldering port size. With the soldering port size, it can make the material, the lifetime to be longer. Normally, it can increase the lifetime 20 to 50%. Yeah, and the last I want to show is the whole unit. Whole unit like this, is matched with our steel structure. Here is the machine with our steel structure. is a whole unit is our standard design drawing. Based on our influence, because every year we import so many sand-making machines to different countries. And based on our influence, we make the steel structure. You see the leg is high. The leg is high, and the tilt continue the direction based on the condition. And this is the with the high distance, it's easy to do the maintenance work, to check the machine and so on. And so the latter, the platform, and so on. You see, this is whole unit. Now I want to show some of the 3D drawing, the video to you, and to get you how is the machine working. You see, this is the rotor, and the different parts. You see your inner view. You will see how is the machine detail side in the side. This is the vertical shaft. This is an important part. In the factory, if your machine standard is not enough, the machine in the future, when it's working, the lifetime will be short. You see, when the rotor is running the speed, the material will give the power to the speed to the material, and the material speed is very fast. It can be 65 to 72 meters per second. Yeah, you can imagine in the nature, the sand is made by the river. Maybe 100 years, 200 years, you can get the river sand. But in the machine, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, we can get the graded sand with the very good cubic shape. So for the more details information, if you want to know SBM sand-making machine, welcome to us to contact with us.